Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making some elotes, which is Mexican street corn. It's really popular here where we're at. You find it a lot everywhere here, and it's just popular. It's good with barbecues. It's good on its own, which is how we're having it today. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I boiled up. Now you can grill this outside. You can also put it in the oven. A place where we used to get it, this little old man used to sell it, but he used to leave the husks on it, the silk and everything, and he would just throw it in the pit, and he'd be there on the corner just selling this stuff with all kinds of yummy stuff to put on it. And that was the best corn ever, and I wanted to make it up and share it with y'all. For those who haven't tried it, it is really a delicious side for any barbecue, or just by itself, as we are going to eat it. So I went ahead and boiled mine. As I said, you can grill them outside, you can put them in the oven. I boiled mine, cleaned them up, boiled them for 20 minutes, and this is going to be quick, guys. And I'm going to move these over here. They're hot still. I'm going to do one at a time, show you how I do them, and everything you will be needing is in the description. So first off, I have my melted butter. Be generous with it. Okay. I know you're patiently waiting, ain't you, Ryan, for a piece of this?
Yep.
I have my oldest here, and he told me earlier, Mom, when are those elotes going to be done? And I said, when I'm ready, they'll be done.
Yeah, can't wait for them.
Can't wait for them? Okay. Now from there, I have a mix here of mayonnaise and sour cream. Now you can also use something they call Mexican crema, or I'm not really know if I'm, how do you pronounce it, Ryan? Crema. Yeah, I feel funny saying it that way because I'm not Spanish or Mexican, so when I try to speak it, I try my best, guys. So then you're going to be generous with this, very generous with this, and just smear that right over top. Trying to see if they can see here. Now this here, what I'm giving you, like I said, everything you'll be needing is in the description. And this is for 4 pretty large pieces of corn on the cob here. A little bit more. This is what makes it really good. Okay, now from there, I'm going to put my spices on there. And then just drizzle your spices on there. I promise, guys, if you've never had it, you're going to love it. And this is cayenne and some chili powder, some lemon pepper, and then from there we'll take it over here and put it in our cotija cheese. This is a Mexican cheese, an aged Mexican cheese. It's really good. And if you can't find it, you can use Parmesan, and then just let that fall on there like that. Now this, you can use as much as you want, but that's basically it. And you can put like a skewer in them, or your little corn, what do you call these things? I don't even know. And then you can put some cilantro on top of it if you want it. But I'm gonna plate them up, guys. This is gonna be a quick video, but let me tell you, these are delicious. We'll be back. Okay, my friends, there is the elotes, which is Mexican street corn. And Curtis, are you going to come taste this for them?
Yeah.
Now, you can also cut this right off the cob and put it in a cup. And like I said, if you can't find the cotija cheese, you can use Parmesan cheese. I just wanted to make sure there's nothing here I'm leaving out for you guys. I already told you what you need is in the description. And these are pretty big size pieces of corn. And if you don't like a lot of spice, you may be able to get 5 to 6 out of this particular recipe. But go ahead, Curtis, try it for him.
Oh, I'm excited.
And we have some lime there. A lot of people like it with lime on it. You can totally leave that out. It's optional. Some lime juice on there. But this is like the main thing that stands out at our barbecues.
Oh my!
It's good.
Yeah, it's so good.
It is. It's addicting, guys. It's just something about those combinations of ingredients that are so good. But there it is, and you're not going to stop eating, are you?
Mm-mm.
I hope you guys give that a try and enjoy. And welcome all of my new subscribers. I truly appreciate you. And if you're a new viewer, please hit that subscribe button, because with all my subscribers, I'm pushing for that 50,000 subscriber number of 50,000, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And I have asked a few of you, please drop me some comments on what do you think most households are looking for right now. Air fryers or a new cookware set. So give me an idea what y'all are looking for in your home. Okay, but until next time, love you guys. Take care, stay blessed, and make you up some elotes. Bye-bye.